Okay. Wait a minute. Why are you going that way yet? Already. Where are we now?
The living room.
This is a what?
Couch.
Mm-hmm. And
Dining table.
what's that?
Dining table.
Okay.
I don't know what this is.
That's called hutch.
This is our fish.
Your fish. And what's over there?
Where?
Upstairs?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is our plant we got.
All right. And then?
Like that mirror. Some mirrors there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and there's also this table.
Okay. And then?
These are on top of it. There's another one like different.
Mm-hmm.
The things on the bottom. Books, candles.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now, what else are you going to show Mommy?
Oh,
Where are we going now?
the family room.
Okay.
This is where we put our movies.
And what is it called?
I don't know.
Ottoman.
Ottomans.
Uh-huh.
Couches. My book.
You want to show me what that couch does?
Yeah. It does this. The couches. No, not this one, because it's kind of broken.
It's not broken.
This is what it does.
Oh,
So this goes back.
it does? Okay, and then?
Well, first we have to push this.
Okay. Push it hard. It's okay. I'll do it later. And then? And then?
This couch with pillows.
And what's that? Fireplace?
Yeah. I just do this table with books under. Oh, this pencil box. There's actually pencils here.
Mm-hmm.
Should be pencils.
Okay, and then now, what else?
My baby, which is cute.
Gonna show our messy kitchen.
What? The kitchen. My drink. And the bread.
And what kind of bread is that again?
Filipino bread.
And where do you get the Filipino bread?
Seafood City.
Seafood City?
Yeah.
Okay. And then, Sammy, what else? What?
There's also a bathroom here.
Okay, light on. A bathroom here. You show Mommy what the bathroom looks like?
Okay.
Okay, that's the bathroom.
Yep.
Okay, and then
And this is the garage.
you turn the lights on. Let me see how messy the garage is. Oh my Lord.
Actually, there's like, it's sticky there.
It's sticky. Wait. So, and then what do we have here?
Ah!
Shh.
The toys.
Toys.
Shut up. And my booster seat.
Okay, and then
These chairs.
what's this? We have a couch here
Yep.
in the garagey.
These toys are here because I put them there.
And then what else do you have there? What's behind you?
A popcorn machine.
Uh-huh. And then?
A TV right next to it.
And then?
These things.
What's that? The one right next to it.
Pokemon card.
And who is this?
Jack.
Hi, Jack.
Our bird. What the heck? Whose Pokemon card is this?
I have no idea. Okay, let's go.
The fridge freezes this is both.
Okay. What's in the fridge? You have something in the fridge?
Yeah.
Okay. It's all right. Come on, let's go.
Well, but what
Let's go. What, you want to open the freezer?
Yeah, I want
What's
to
in-
show you.
No, that freezer. Oh, ooh. Ooh. What's that?
Freeze pop.
Freeze pops.
Believe it's more cold.
Okay.
And that's that's to open the garage and close it.
Okay, turn the lights off. Thanks.
And this is our computer, our laptop,
It's a computer.
our printer, our computer, paper for our
And then our backyard.
sister. Yeah,
It's a mess.
yeah, we're gonna clean it.
What?
We're gonna clean our backyard.
We haven't cleaned the backyard.
And that's the other printer we have.
Huh?
We have 2 printers now. Because my dad got another one.
We have 2 what?
Printers.
Huh?
We have 2 printers.
Pretzels?
Printers. Not pretzels.
Which is Mommy's favorite room? What's Mommy's favorite room?
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
And whose room is this? What do you call this room?
Living room.
And what's this?
Dining table.
Dining table.
I don't know what's on top.
You don't know what's on top? Candles.
Candles. Oh, and this is where we put our shoes.
Shoes.
We're gonna have to run here and put our shoes here.
No, we don't put shoes there anymore, remember?
What is this? Oh, and also
Picture.
this here. That flickering looks maybe beautiful. I don't know. I'm going to show you the upstairs.
No, I'm not going to go upstairs anymore. Bye.